Hi, it's Keith Fiveson here again at the Global Sourcing Forum with Robert Janssen from Brazil IT. We're here day 2 of November the 12th, and appreciate the opportunity to speak with you, Robert, about Brazil and Brazil IT. So why are you here at the conference? What do you think?
Well, Brazil IT has been committed to the United States market for quite some time, and they've been coming here as an institutional effort from the Brazilian government side for the past 10 years. And our basic objective is to showcase the best of breed Brazilian IT companies who are second to none, top-notch companies that can deliver according to what the end-user corporations in the United States need.
Right. Well, I know you and I have talked about the Brazil advantage. Can you give some of our viewers some perspective on that?
Well, we like to position ourselves with an added value where our multi-diverse culture and our business domain knowledge combined gives us a better understanding and a faster way to provide solutions for end users. Basically, we like to say that we can hit the ground running every single time, and that's an opportunity cost for any organization.
And I know certainly when companies start to look at outsourcing locations, the first thing is to look at the people, but then again also to look at the economy, because it's not only a global opportunity, it's also a local opportunity. Can you speak to some of that?
Yes, so while Brazil has been able to weather this economic downturn fairly well, our economy has maintained steady growth. We felt the pinch right out of the outset because of a bit of the credit crunch, but we have a solid economy, 45 different economic sectors, and that helps us to really not only develop further the economy, but also integrate better business domain knowledge that we're trying to bring here now.
And I was fascinated to hear about the market itself and the growth of the domestic market, as you've pointed out in a lot of the sessions, but also in terms of how the domestic market and the IT sector specifically is supporting global companies. There are quite a few global companies today that are really working with Brazil. Could you just mention some of those?
Yes, sure. Absolutely. Because of exactly the industry domain knowledge and plus the multi-diverse cultural aspect that Brazil offers, you have organizations such as HSBC Bank, which is probably one of the most global banks we can hear of. They have a very strong development center in the city of Curitiba, about 500 people there. And there's an interesting story there where HSBC Bank has 4 development centers worldwide. And the one in Curitiba is the only one that's able to maintain a 0 onshore ratio. That's because just everything can be done there. He doesn't have to put anything outside. ExxonMobil, oil and gas, they also keep a development center there. Dell Computers, their whole development center for the IT solutions is kept in Porto Alegre, which is it's the capital of our farthest state south, Rio Grande do Sul. So Brazil, most multinationals have been on the ground for the last 50 years, and from several different sectors. And that's helped Brazilian business environment integrate business practices according to what these headquarters or these countries are from origin are accustomed to.
And certainly from a growth domestic product viewpoint, Brazil is certainly one of the places to be in terms of its debt, in terms of its ability to be quite independent from the rest of the world, if you will, and natural resources, and certainly its people being its biggest natural resource. Who are some of the companies that are here with Brazil IT this week?
Well, here for this event specifically, we have Polytech, we have Stefanini IT, we have CPM Braxis, we have CI&T, we have BRQ. And all of these companies, actually, they're already acting as an American corporation. They have a headquarters established here. Some of them actually have more than 2 or 3 offices nationwide. And they have been engaged with providing really high-value services, and especially in the SAP deployment. Brazil is very big in SAP and ERPs, and also in application development and maintenance.
And well, that's excellent. And I've met with Polytech. We had a wonderful lunch yesterday. A great group of folks, and I know you've got quite a few others here that I'm going to meet up with. If some of our viewers wanted to go ahead and take advantage of Brazil IT and the opportunities in Brazil, what would they do from your viewpoint? How would they get in touch with you and/or set up some time with some of the companies?
I think the best starting point is so they can gather more knowledge about Brazil and also watch some interviews of some very key analysts or reference people, is to access the site www.brazil with an S exportsit.com.
Okay, Brazil exports.
Yeah, well, actually, it's written in Portuguese. It's brasilexporta.ti.com. It means Brazil exporta ti.com.
Excellent. And of course, from the viewpoint of wanting to get a hold of you and your company, your organization?
Yeah, my name is, I'm a business development market advisor. I host a contract with the business and government. The name of my company is Outsource Brazil. We're focused in business development inbound and outbound. That means that we help Brazilian companies come up to different markets around the world, United States especially, but we also help foreign organizations penetrate the Brazilian market. And to get in touch, I think the best way is to send an email, rjansen@outsourcebrazil.com.br.
Great. Okay, excellent. Well, thank you again for the opportunity to speak with you, Robert, and great show and great overview of Brazil.
All right. Thank you, Keith.
All right. Bye for now.
All right.